All right, so I'm with my friend Dave, and we have taken our trikes out to the desert where there are a lot of windmills, and we're gonna go explore the area. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. It's a beautiful day out here in the desert. We're doing a bike ride around the windmills today. The wind is really picking up. You can see why these windmills are here. It started off pretty calm, but I imagine it's about 15 miles an hour right now, and probably going to get stronger as the ride continues. So, but we got our electric assist. I think we'll be all right. All kinds of windmills out here. We're at the top of a hill and we're about to climb another.
See, there's another weather tower right here.
Right here, a weather tower, huh?
Yep.
Well,
If you want to, I think we can go over there. I don't know if we can get over those or not, but we can ride up there.
maybe we can ride up that hill. We'll see. Here we go.
There's big lakes over there that are empty, that when they have a fast flood, it feeds the aquifer.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
That's where all this drains.
All right, so we're going to take this little shortcut because we're wusses and we're worried about the wind. And so, oh yeah, look at this. This is very cool. Ooh, we could go in here.
Oh, looky there. Walk over and take a picture of it.
Yeah, that's cool. I'm gonna park it here for a second. So we found a break in the fence and decided to take a closer look. It wasn't wide enough to bring the trikes in, But it's kind of fun to get close to these windmills. And here are some of the blades just laying on the ground. And I kind of wanted to take a closer look at them. You wonder if they're going up or they've maybe all used up. Getting ready to take them away. So this is a generator. This is what you see at the top of the stem. Yeah, Dave is what? How tall are you?
6'2".
6'2".
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're big. And this is an older model. The windmills being built now are much, much bigger, and the generators are like the size of buses.
The propeller on.
So this is the place that the propeller sit on. You can see there's 3 holes here. God, it looks like something for underwater, doesn't it? Wow, it's pretty interesting here. It's like a windmill graveyard out here. And there were lots of holes in the fence, so it's not particularly secure. Yeah, this looks very interesting. What do you think that is, Dave?
I think that's some type of reducer.
Oh, a reducer.
That goes on the wing.
For power, the power reducer?
Yeah,
Or the speed?
Gear reduction.
Okay, to change the speed of the windmill blades. All right, so we're back on this dirt road. I don't think we have very far to go here. Whoop! Fishtailing. It's entirely possible we're going to be pushing our trikes pretty soon. That's the thing about this area, is it's nice to do off-road riding, but there's a lot of sand, desert sand. Oh, I can see there's a lot of sand. Oh, I got through it though. I'm really fishtailing. Oh, yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now I think this is it. Yeah, we gotta push. So we've been on this dirt road for a lot longer than I think we thought we would be on it. It's very sandy, and we've had to push our trikes a few times. But we are getting to the end of it here. We'll be back on pavement. Little adventure out here in the desert. Now, Dave's gotten stuck in the sand, in the gravel. I stayed over to the left, and I still have traction. Yeah, you know, it's always fun to go off-road, and it's always really fun to get back on pavement too.
I think I have 2 shot batteries.
Oh no! Both of his batteries are shot. Oh no, that's not good. And I don't know if he means they're just used up or if he needs new batteries, because I know one of them's pretty old. All right, so we've had a really fun adventure out here in the desert of Palm Springs. And whoops, I'm in the sand. I'm stuck in the sand again. And just made it back. These nice people at this windmill tour let us park here. Back at the van.